How to lock any files or folders in Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. So first just head over to your Google Chrome browser and simply search in for the application from the website called OSoft. So this is the one of the developer tools website which provides all of the tools such as secure folder, which is useful to simply lock the files and folders. So you can simply download it from over here as well. So just simply click on download and make sure to click on this secret folder, and once your download is complete, just come over to here and just install the application just like this. And it might ask you to run it as an administrator, so simply give all the permission and just download and install it under your respective directory. And once you do all of that, you'll be asked to enter a new password and confirm password. Similarly, you can also add a recovery email address and just re-enter the same email address just like this, which will be your recovery email address. So once you do all of that, just click on OK, and it will open up the applications interface like this. So you just have to wait for a few seconds. So once you're inside here, finally click on add, and you can simply start searching for that particular folder or files which you want to lock. So let's say in this example, I will just create a new folder called sample, and I will try to lock that particular folder. So just like this, I will simply click on select it and click on OK. And as you can see, the folder will be hidden, and you can simply reheat the unlock button to simply make the folder appear once again, just like that. So as you can see, the folder has appeared once again. So you can also do this with any other folders or files or applications which you want to hide and recover it just like this by simply unlocking it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.